So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this tutorial we're gonna discuss how you can add a default title for your YouTube videos. If you don't know, by adding the default title, the title will be implemented all your ongoing uploads, which can be your YouTube channel mainstream line, or you can add anything, so that that particular line or that particular word will be added to your title of every video that you are now uploading to your channel after adding it to the upload default settings. So in order to do that setting, all you have to do is to just simply open the YouTube Studio on any browser. You can do the same process on a smartphone as well. All you have to do is to just simply click on the desktop side version on any browser on smartphone. Or for this video I'm going to open my YouTube Studio on Google Chrome browser. When I open the Google Chrome browser and go to the YouTube Studio of my YouTube channel, you can see currently I'm on my YouTube Studio. Now in order to add a default title, I have to just go to the simply option of settings over there in the left window, and here you'll see a third option on the left window, upload defaults. When I click here you'll see add a title to describe your video. Here you can see a catchy title you can add there, so that the title will be added by defaultly to all your videos. So you don't need to add a particular phrase, or you can see you can say the tagline of your YouTube channel on every video. It will be by defaultly added to your YouTube channel YouTube videos title. So by this method you can add easily a YouTube default title on for your YouTube videos. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.